Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I want to share with you some beautiful Dollar Tree DIYs that I created to bring a little color into my kitchen. So I'm starting off with this clear plastic bowl and some of this Fix-All adhesive, and I'm just going to be adding some around the edge here, and then taking some of this Rhinestone Chain. I'm just going to be adding one strip around this border, and I have the link for this Rhinestone Chain in the description box below. Now I'll be using this metal piece here that came off of these candle holders, and all I had to do was unscrew these, and I was able to wrap this bottom piece here in some rhinestone chain. Now if you don't have anything similar to this, you can use one of these small sauce bowls that come in a pack of 4 from the Dollar Tree, as well as adding one of these glass knobs. I will have a link for these down below. I'm taking one of these clear plates from the Dollar Tree, and then you can choose a tissue paper of your liking. I've decided to go with this beautiful flower print just to add a little color to my kitchen. Taking some Mod Podge, I'm just going to add a generous amount to the bottom of my plate, and I'm going to be spreading that glue evenly. I like to wait for my glue to get a little tacky before I add my tissue paper down, just so that my paper does not rip. So here my glue has completely dried, and I'm just going to be taking a piece of sandpaper and I'm going to be sanding off the excess paper from around my border. Now I'll be taking some white acrylic paint, and I'll just be painting the bottom of my plate. You can seal your paint in with this never wet 2-step system, and it's by Rust-Oleum, and I found this in a box for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So here's a look at my cake plate with the top, and I think this came out absolutely gorgeous. Strong adhesive to set that candle holder into place. So for my next DIY, I have this round chopping board from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just flipping that over, and I'm going to be removing this little rubber tabs from the bottom. Now the bottom of this is smooth and the top is textured, so I'm just going to be adding some Mod Podge to the bottom part that is smooth, and again doing even coats of that Mod Podge, allowing it to get tacky for a couple of minutes, and then going in with that same tissue paper. And I'm going to be repeating the same exact steps as my first DIY. Two of these glass chopping boards. Now for the extra paint on the sides or on top, you can just go in with a damp towel And I will be sealing these in with Mod Podge. Now we're going around the border of my trays with my crystal gems, and I'm just going to be gluing those face down onto my surface. And I'll be repeating that for the bottom as well. Then I'll be adding a pearl in between two of my acrylic gems. And I will be alternating between crystal gem and a pearl in this form here. And all you have to do is just add a small dab of glue. Set your pearl in between those two bottom crystals. A crystal beside that, and that is the pattern that I will follow all the way around. Now this next DIY is super easy. I just have two of these little wooden spatulas from the Dollar Tree. I've given these 2 coats of white paint each. I'm just trying to line it up to where I get the flower in the middle, so that when my utensils are on display, you can really enjoy the beauty of the flowers. So with an X-Acto knife, I'm just going to try to cut out this piece here. And if you don't get all that out, just go ahead and add some Mod Podge and just brush that down. You won't even notice. So I've also done the back of these. And I'm just using Mod Podge to seal these in as well. Now here I'm just playing around with what ribbon I want to use. Now this is a rhinestone adhesive that I got on Amazon. I will have the link for this down below. And this other one here are the stickers from the Dollar Tree. So I decided to go with the ribbon from Amazon. So next I'll be taking 4 of the Dollar Tree coasters. I'll be giving them 2 coats of white paint. Then I'll be going in with a thin layer of Mod Podge and adding my tissue paper on top. I'm taking this small square mirror from the Dollar Tree and these 4 crystal knobs, and I'm going to be gluing 1 knob on each corner of the mirror. And this will be kind of like my little faux coaster holder. And I think it came out super cute. Definitely something unique. So let me know down below if you'll be recreating any of these for your home. I'll definitely be on the lookout for more beautiful tissue paper at the Dollar Tree to create some more beautiful home decor. So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. Please stay safe. I will talk to you all in my next video.